Good morning, students. Before that exercise 5.3, we have to recap the formula. First one, general form of an AP, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. And then you have to find that common difference, D equal to A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2. General term formula, AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, where AN is the last term, A is the first term, N is the number of the terms, and D is the common difference. Now we are going to learn about that sum of the terms. This full exercise you are applying these two formulas only. Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, n number of the terms, a first term, and d common difference, Sn sum of the terms. And Sn equal to n by 2, a plus l, n number of the terms, a first term, L is nothing but that last term. You have to indicate as the AN also. Sn equal to sum of the terms. Sum of the terms you are having the two formula. Already I explained. Whether you are having the common difference, you will applying this Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. If you are having that last term means Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Now you are going to that exercise 5.3. Find the sum of the following APs 2, 7, 12 up to 10 terms. So here itself the given A equal to 2, D equal to 7 minus 2, therefore 5, and N equal to 10. So applying this Sn formula n by 2, because 10 terms they mention, so n equal to 10, therefore 10 by 2, 2 into A, therefore 2 into 2 plus n minus 1, 10 minus 1 into D, substitute, and 5 into 4 plus 9 into 5, 4 plus 45, 49 into 5, 245. Same only that second part also, minus 37, minus 33, minus 29 up to 12 terms. A equal to minus 37, D A2 minus A1, therefore minus 33 minus of minus 37, minus into minus will become the plus, therefore minus 33 plus 37 equal to 4. N equal to here 12 terms they mentioned, therefore 12. Substitute in that Sn formula, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, 12 by 2, 2 into minus 37 plus 12 minus 1 into 4, and then 6 minus 74 plus 11 into 4, minus 74 plus 44, minus and plus it will be that negative sign, minus 30, multiply and get that sign. Then third one, 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 to the 100 terms. A equal to 0.6, D equal to 1.7 minus 0.6 equal to 1.1, N equal to 100. So substitute there itself, x 100 equal to 100 by 2, 2 into 0.6, n minus 100 minus 1 into d, and multiply this one 108.9, add this and then put that answer 110.1 into 5. So answer 5505. Fourth subdivision is the homework. I will give the later. And then second one, find the sums given below. Here itself 7 plus 10 and half plus 14 up to 84. So this is the first term A, and then A2 minus A1. So second term minus first term, there itself subtract and get that 7 by 2. And then last term is the 84. So first you have to find that n, last term, substitute that n you have to find. So an formula, general term formula will use. An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, and then get that n value, n equal to 23. Now you will use that to sum of the terms. Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d also will use, and or n by 2 a plus l. Because it is a lengthy formula, so whether you are having that last term means directly you will apply n by 2 into a plus l. So applying this formula, and then 23 by 2, 7 plus 84, 91, and then get this equation 2093 by 2, change into that mixed fraction. Then second subdivision, 34 plus 32 plus 30 up to 10, same only. First you will applying the general term, n you have to find that 13, and then Sn formula you will apply, n by 2 a plus l, and 13 by 2, 34 plus 10, get that a calculation cancellation, and then get that answer 286. The third subdivision, minus 5, minus 8, minus 11 up to minus 230, So A and then D you have to find second term minus first term, and an general term you have to write a plus n minus 1 into d minus 230 equal to minus 5 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. So minus 5 will become after the equal sign plus 5 using the sign properly, and then now it is in the process of multiplication after the equal sign division. Then you will get that n is the 76. After you will substitute there itself as 76 n by 2 a plus l, and then 76 by 2 minus 55 minus 230. So both is the minus, add and put the minus sign and get that as 76. And then third one, first subdivision. In an AP, given A equal to 5, D equal to 3, AN equal to 50, find N and Sn. So already before the sum you did A, D, AN is there, means first you have to find that N value. So you will applying that general term and get that N value. After you are having that Sn, AN is nothing but that L. So you will be applying that n by 2 a plus L also. I applied here itself n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That also same answer only come. Both the answer, both the formula you have to apply here itself. An is nothing but that L. Okay. And then second one. Given a equal to 7, a13 equal to 35. Find d and s13. A13 they are given. So an in the place of an you have to write a13 a plus 12d. So 35 equal to 7 plus 12d. Find that a difference first 7 by 3, and then you have to find here itself you didn't use the you will use that a plus l also. A13 is only the 13th term, last term. N by 2 a plus l also you have to apply here itself. N by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d I substitute and get that answer 273. Okay. You will try n by 2 a plus l also. Check it whether the answer is the correct or not. Given a12 equal to 37, d equal to 3, a and then s12. General term an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A12 equal to a plus 12 minus 1 into d, and then substitute and get that a value. A you got. And then here itself also you will apply n by 2 a plus l. In this equation full I substitute there itself n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d, because you have to practicing purpose. You will use that a plus l also, it is correct. N by 2 and then 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and then get that 2 into 4, 2 in 12 minus 1 into 3 and substitute, and 8 plus 33 41, 6 and 2 46. Fourth one, a3 equal to 15, s10 equal to 125. Find d and a10. So first you have to be write sum of the terms given here itself. You didn't apply that an formula first, therefore you will be write an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, and a3 equal to a plus 3 minus 1 into d, a plus 2d equal to 15. Write that equation 1, and then Sn formula you will write, because A315 they gave, that's why you get this one formula. And then S10 formula you will write and get that second equation. S10 equal to 10 by 2 2a plus 9d, and then 125 equal to 5 2a plus 9d, and 125 by 5 equal to 2a plus 9d. Cancel it and get that. So now you are getting two equation by using that elimination method. Here a plus 2d equal to 15, 2a plus 9d. You know any one equation you have to be bring it as the same. So the first equation can be multiplied throughout by 2. So 1 into 2 equal to 2a plus 4d equal to 30, and 2a plus 9d equal to 25. So it will be change the sign. 2a minus 2a cancel. 4d minus 9d it will be that minus 5d. 30 minus 25 it will be that 5. So d equal to minus 1. So d equal to minus 1, substitute in that first equation and get that a value. What they'll ask, d and a10. So a10 can be written as an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A10 equal to a plus 9d. A you found out 17, and then 9. D you found out minus 1, and then substitute and get that answer. Thank you children. Fourth sum I will send it in that